IXHL closed the session of Friday, the 29th of August, 2025, with a gain of 6.63%. As of Tuesday, it's got a rejection at 94.50, an intraday high. Some news came out that day, but before that time, the momentum had already started to build up. I would say from Thursday, the 21st, or even earlier than that. So upon that news, it spiked further. Angle of attack on the stock steepened, but got a rejection there. So that forms an upper projection at 4.50. So since that time, the stock has been, or rather, there has been a contraction of that expansion that lasted for, if you like, probably up to six trading sessions at various times, cooling off. So that's what's going on right now is a contraction of that expansion. Lower prices, unfortunately, are expected to keep playing out, or expected to begin to play out from this pre-market session. Yeah, from this post-market session of today, going to the pre-market session of tomorrow, the second. Lower prices are expected to remain in place. Yeah, all the way towards the 10th of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. I guess the absence of catalysts in the news may be behind this extrapolation. Being a small cap biotech stock, the algos amongst other things feed on news and anticipations, and all the news have come out. So, the last one was on the 26th. We don't know of anyone coming up. There might be one, but if it comes up, maybe the algos might recalculate. But regardless of all of that, the algos behind the Fibonacci projections are projecting higher prices. We have here 0.8874. What do we have here? 0.94. Okay. Then we have 0.8874, 1.16, 1.38, 1.51. The price pressure momentum currently is for the 10 period moving average is severely bearish. It's a mix of things on this 10 period moving average, severely bearish, first derivative, and robustly bullish second derivative. It's complicated. And then we have the 21 period moving average. Everything is robustly bullish. So it's a mix. It is indeed a mix. I think most of the things, the moving averages have all converged on pretty much on converged with the price itself, pretty much on what is it? What do we have? Yeah, pretty much converged on 1 point. So the stock closed at 0.659, and the 10 period moving average is at 0.6415. The 21 period moving average is at 0.6776. Yeah. So it's a mix of things. I think it's also indicating that there's a good chance that the stock can't may not be able to hold its position above its 10 period moving average, given this severely negative trend, severely negative price pressure momentum, indicating that a lot of weakness is there, lots, and but being validated by the first derivative. So yeah, it lends to the suspicion that it may not be able to hold above. It's currently above 0.6415. You may not be able to hold that level. That's why we're looking at the prospects of lower prices kicking in by the next couple of hours. Okay, let's have a look at the daily chart. Let's see. So here we have lower prices equally expected to keep laying out up till Tuesday, the 9th of September, when it might level off, and then by the 17th of September, it might resume the downtrend. But a bounce is expected to play out from Friday, the 26th of September. Do we know of anything coming up then? Who knows? Uh, Projections, we have 1.56, 1.8, 2.36, 2.71. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how things go. Let's see how things go. Price pressure momentum, everything is strongly bullish. Oddly enough, there's a negative, severely negative first derivative on this 21-day moving average. What could be behind that? What could be behind that? Let's see. Mm, yeah, for some reason, could it be because it's trading below its? I wouldn't want to say that. It's trading below the 40-day moving average, but it happens, when a stock is quite erratic. You can have all sorts of combinations. The 10-day moving average and the 40-day moving average are almost on the same price. Almost at the same price. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how things go, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video. But okay, before we go, let's see. Let's try and work out a few probabilities. This will be an ambitious one. We take 1.17 printed on the 28th of July. If you look over here, this is where the moving averages are. If the moving average is greater than the target, then you know that we have a probability that is 50% or greater that price may be retested, can be retested, or maybe, or can, as the case may be. So we place the cursor there, and we have 1.18. So our first reading, you can see no price there apart from the 21 day, apart from the last one, which is to the 200-day moving average, but we're not considering that. We're considering the first value, which is the 10-day moving average. So yeah, going by the fact that it is 0.7294 and our target is 1.18, then we have a probability that if a less than 50% probability that 1.18 may be retested. Let's have a look again. Let's find the average estimate. Okay, so we have yet another moving average less than 1.18. Yeah, another moving average less than 1.18. But we have a fourth one going all the way back to early March of this year. I think we might have up to two of them there. Yeah, okay, this time around it's greater than 1.18, but it's not enough to change the average readings. And again, yeah, this time around 1.1, it's great as well. But I think they're not, the two of them are not enough to change the average value. So they are still, I think we can say that 1.18 is not highly likely to be retested. But you never know what's going to happen. So let's see how things go. We'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.